William Golding. His full name was Sir William Gerald Golding. He was born in September 1911 in Cornwall, England. He studied in Oxford University. In 1935, he published his first book, a book of poetry called Poems. He married to Anne Brookfield in 1939 and had two children, David and Judith. He started teaching philosophy and English in Bishop's Boarding School. He paused his teaching to join the Royal Navy in 1940 to fight against World War II, where he saw that the persons were mean and the world was evil. Golding wrote books, plays, novels, and poetry. He also wrote a book about Egypt. Golding died of a heart attack in 1993 in Cornwall, England. His awards. At the age of 73, he was awarded by the Nobel Prize in 1983 of Literature. In 1988, he was knighted by the Queen Elizabeth II. And in 1980, by his book The Rite of Passage, he won the Booker McConnell Prize. In 1954, after 21 rejections, he published his most acclaimed and first novel, The Lord of the Flies, who was inspired by the boys he taught while he was teaching and also by the World War II. Everything that happened in World War II made him realize that people were mean. The novel tells the gripping story of a group of children stranded on a desert island after a plane wreck. The Lord of the Flies explained the savage side of human nature in boys, when the boys let loose from the constraints of society. Brutal turns against one another in the face of an imaginary enemy, examining man's internal struggle between good and evil. In 1963, the year after Golding retired from teaching, Peter Brook made a film adaptation from the critically acclaimed novel, The Lord of the Flies. Thank you.